Mom?
Hello, Dad?
I'm Janice Henderson. I moved technically 3 times with it.
Was that cute?
Yes, it actually was. Yeah, look.
Oh my god, obsessed. Alright, so why are we excited about Australia?
Oh, I guess let's get to the meat and potatoes, shall we? I think, I've only heard the most fantastic things about Sydney.
True.
Like, when I ask people for the downsides, they usually say price. But I think it's worth it, and we'll be making bank because we do sales. Duh. I guess the policing thing, but like, whatever. That just means safer community, I guess.
Yeah, moral of the story that we learned today is when you're going into bars and you're intoxicated, don't look suspicious.
Yep, that's it. After that, you'll be good. I think I've never surfed before, but
Same.
I think we're not gonna get away without trying it at least once, apparently.
Yeah, we gotta, it's apparently the thing to do out there, especially during the summer months. And
Which will be shortly after we move there.
correct, and Lucy's gonna find the love of her life.
Bri's gonna find a love of her life. We'll be each other's wing women's, actually.
Period.
And well, you know, I'm becoming Australian. You know what I've haven't squared yet? The spiders.
TBD on the spiders. That's still on the con list in my book.
And the kangaroos, the dingoes.
The kangaroos. There is, I just found this out today with Mike. There is an island called Kangaroo Island. We must go.
Kangaroo Island is calling my name and I must go.
Yeah, let's go. The
Just
kangaroo.
set up the office on Kangaroo Island, hell. Maybe they could use our SIM cards. Stupid.
I wonder how many GPUs we have out there.
Right. Do we have a global point of presence there, Bri?
I don't know. Let's check out on that pop. See how it's working.
Yeah, and you know, I think it goes without saying that Australian people are beautiful.
Beautiful.
Maybe I'll become bisexual.
Whoa.
Whoa, too far, too
That
far.
just-
Let's pretend I never said that.
Yeah.
Cheers!
Cheers to Lucy staying gay. What?
Yes!
By the way, we're doing a little bonding since we're getting ready to get shipped off to Australia. So
I mean, right, and it'll be a 22-hour flight together, and then living together, and then
Correct.
being the only people we know out there together.
correct.
So you know, we'll have our independent lives, but we'll also probably, for mental health's sake,
Absolutely.
spend and need each other quite a bit.
Yeah, it'll be a good time.
And you know what? My therapist always says that she's like a queer therapist, specializes with people who struggled with their sexuality growing up. She always says that the most important thing for queer women, no matter where you're at with accepting or fully embracing, you need queer friends.
Cheers. Cheers to that.
Ms. Carpenter, if you're listening to this, Bri is an excellent manager. She's cute. She'll take you to Australia for free. She's getting promoted. She has a very promising career ahead of herself. And also, you'll be able to go and do your tour thing because she's got so much shit to manage in Australia that when you're together, it's going to be like the best thing in the world.
Dude, I've never had someone do a mini elevator pitch on me to Sabrina. So Sabrina, you should check it out.
Thank you, Ms. Carpenter.